This is Honor 200 Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So in the beginning, I recommend that you launch the built-in default System Manager app and go for the virus scan here. Usually the way this tool works, as far as I know, is it automatically scans your system in the background for viruses, so if it will detect any, you will find them right over here. And well, it will also provide you with clear instructions on how to terminate those security threats. Then you can also launch the Google Play Store app. Here tap at your profile picture, go into the Play Protect and scan your system for harmful apps using the Play Protect. And well, once again, if this scan will find any threats, it will also provide you with coherent instructions on how to get rid of them, or to fix them rather. And then you can also go into your device's settings, open the list of device administrators, and see if any suspicious application has this permission, and if it does, make sure to deactivate it right over here and uninstall this suspicious app right away. Since this permission or this access is very sensitive, it gives an app pretty much a complete control and access over your system. So if some malicious app got this access, that means that you need to terminate it or uninstall that app and restrict or revoke this permission. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.